So it was very useful, and the tips and tricks especially will be helpful for anybody who is going for the exams. Hello, I'm Dr. Sundari actually. So I have attended the session of interactive day-long course from Sumanta Kumar Shah actually. So I have listened to his lectures before. It was very informative and really wanted to come in person and attend this. I have given my MRCP part 1, which I able to crack, but the way of learning wasn't very good. I didn't have a basic understanding about many of the topics, and I really came here to get into a regular session. So I've come here, and the session was very useful. Most of the things that Dr. Samantha has taught us regarding the what all the mistakes we will be doing in the in the exams, and it was like I can be able to go through what all I have done in my part 1 and part 2. So it was very useful, and the tips and tricks especially will be helpful for anybody who is going for the exams. And I would say it was very more like a funny session, I would say. It was not like actually being in a class, a very boring one. I didn't feel like one. Was very interactive, and most of the times he was giving certain examples, and like it was very interactive and funny. It was teaching a kindergarten student or something. So it was like even if I go back and turn on my notes, and like if I want to go through, I can actually able to appreciate all the things that I've learned today. So it was very nice, and I really am looking forward to join the regular course. And I think everybody wants to crack MRCP. That's their only dream, and I think for cracking MRCP, this is a must. And apart from that, they have to put their own efforts and hard work regarding the lessons and subjects. So I think this is a very good class. So far, I have attended many other lectures. I have spent a lot of money as well for the preparation, and I have never sit enough of 10 hours of time for any other exams. So it was pretty much nice. I think everybody should come and join.